sir.
And finally, William B. Lower. Lower, this is a picture, this is a picture of a brickyard. We'll talk more about that. We don't have a picture of Lower. Lower was born in Wisconsin in 1852 or 1853. He came to Sioux City in 1868, working as a telegraph operator. And at age 18 years old, he was in charge of installing the first telegraph lines into Dakota Territory, which connected Sioux City to Vermilion and Yankton. He returned to Sioux City and married Frances Rice and started the Empire Sawmill with his brother Eugene Rice. Remember them? They were like third people in the tour right over there. In 1897, he and A.L. Stetson purchased a failed brick business and turned it into the Lower Brick Company in South Riverside, which you can see pictured here. This would eventually be part of a major consolidation of all of Sioux City brickyards into what is Sioux City Brick and Tile in 1913. And William Lower, when did he die? 1923?
1923.
And with that, you have made it! Thank you all so much for coming. If you have compliments, I'm here. If you have complaints, you can talk to me. No, that's just kidding. Again, thank you all so much for coming out with us today. I hope you enjoyed it, got a little bit of exercise, learned something new. So,
Yes, yeah,
if you're up here, be careful while you're walking down. Oh.
Yeah, it's a very Art Deco thing.
It's an Art Deco thing before Art Deco was a thing. Because this is 1923, and Art Deco movement didn't get going until about 1925.
Thank you all so much.
Thank you.